So last class we had discussed, right? So last class already we seen. So what is loops and what is with underscore items. So there is multiple ways we can iterate our items. So we can execute your task multiple times. So in loop, if we add multiple items, so that item we are calling under the task section. So that task will be executed so multiple times. So let me share screen. So all last class we seen, right? So that is loops with item. And if you want to create multiple files or if you want to create users or whatever it may, that is depends on your requirement. If you want to iterate multiple items, and so that case, so we should go for so loops and all. Okay. So today we'll see what is tags and so how to add tags and how to execute only that particular tags and all. So can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so if we let me come to my Ansible server, git bash. So now there is a one concept available here, tags. In interview also many people asked what is tags and so what why you go for tags and how to execute only particular tags and all. So simply tags is nothing but suppose I have a playbook, right? So I have a Ansible tags. So I have a playbook. So I have a playbook. So in my playbook, I have many tasks. So I have many tasks. But so we don't want to execute all tasks, or I want to execute only specific task. So that case, mostly we go for Ansible tags. Now see here, if we have a large playbook, suppose I have a playbook. In my playbook, I added many tasks, that is many models. So that is copy model, M model, repo model, and file model, service model, and M model API. There is we added so many models in our task section. So now your playbook is very large, right? I don't want to execute my entire playbook. You don't want to execute your entire playbook. Now see here, you may be useful run only specific part of your instead of running entire playbook. I don't want to execute entire playbook. I want to execute only specific part or we want to run only specific model. So that case, so there is a one concept. So Ansible providing Ansible tags. See here, add tags to your task. For every task, so if you want to, we can add your task either individually or with the tag inherent from the block. Or select or skip tags when you run your playbook. Suppose we added for every model I added one tag name. So runtime, if you want to, we can execute only specific task, a specific model, or if you don't want, so we can skip that specific tag also. So that case, we should go for tag concept. It is very simple only. First, try to understand. First, let me come to one playbook. So now we can easily understand. Okay. So now sudo hyphen I. Suppose if your playbook is very large, I don't want to, for example, my playbook, I have many models. Just assume we have 10 models. If you run your playbook, every time it is executing 10 models, right? That is waste of time, right? I don't want to execute all models every time. I want to execute only specific model or specific task. Okay, so that case, so we should go for tag concept. Now see how to create the tags and all. That's it. So that is very simple only. Now see here, su hyphen so DevOps. Now let me create so one any one playbook. Okay, sudo vi sudo vi. Okay, I am giving a tag git start. I am just I give a name some name. So remaining story same only. Just first let me create one playbook. So first we executing so normally and we can okay. hyphen name. Okay, git package. Okay, now host, now all. Next, task section. Now observe here, this is the task become equal to true, become colon true true under the task section. So here, what is our task name? We can add anything, right? So my task name is m hyphen name hyphen space name colon install git package. This is my task. And what is the module name? M. And so name equal to git, and so state equal to present. That's it. Now, so this is a one model, right? So this is the M model. Now what it will do? It will install the my package. It is installing my package. So same way, if you run this package every time, if you run this playbook every time, it is installing. It is trying to install your so this. Now I want to uninstall. So whenever we need, sometimes I want to install. Now see here, name colon uninstall git package. So now see here same, right, m, and so name equal to git and state equal to what is this? If you want to uninstall the git package, what is the command?
Option.
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 BSC. Now this is my very simple playbook. Just I want to install git package, git software in my host machines. So this is the task section, and so this is the name. I given install git package, and m equal to name equal to git, and present state equal to present. Now automatically it will execute this task, this module also. So m name equal to git. Again I am uninstall the package and all. Now first let me run. So here anyone any doubt, guys? So here so first I am installing the package, and second so it is executing. I am uninstalling that package. That's it. Now this is very simple playbook, and so let me run how it will execute. Now first check it how to run it. Ansible hyphen playbook, Ansible hyphen playbook, and so what is this? Git tags hyphen syntax hyphen check. Just check if you have any syntax and all. Now everything okay. Now so clear the screen. Now execute your playbook. Now see here. So Ansible hyphen playbook. If you want to run any playbook, so it will starts with Ansible hyphen playbook, and we are passing your playbook name dot yml. Now see here, task install and install git package, and task gathering facts, and so this is first it is connecting 175 machine and install git package, and this is, and second time it is an uninstall. See, uninstall the git package. That's it. Change it to first it is installed, and already if it is available, so it won't install, and second automatically it will trigger the uninstall also. This is also task, right? This is also our task. Now it is executing a 2. Now so while running my playbook, I don't want to execute every time install and every time uninstall. Now these are the two tasks, right? Now in this playbook I have two tasks: sudo vi ansible, what is this, git, right? Git. Now these are the two tasks. One time I am installing, and the second time so I am uninstalling. Now for this task I am going to give one tag name. I am going to give one tag name. So if you want to add tags, this is the concept tags colon, and so just I am giving some name install. So now this is the one second task, right? So for this, I am using tags colon. I am using uninstall. Okay, I given some name. Whatever you want, we can pass it.
Spelling
Now for
mistakes.
uninstall, we can give any name. Un
Tags spelling mistakes.
okay, tags. Yes, here tags, right? Tag is the spelling mistake. Okay, tags install, and this is the tags uninstall. We can give any name, uninstall. Okay. So now this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Okay. 1 second. So now, so here I added, right? So what is this? Here, this is see here tags. Here I added tags. So already we send here also, right? Already here we added some playbooks and all. Just here also, just check it. Some of examples and all already we added here. Just to check it. Okay. So how to add a task and all tags and all and all. So now come here. This is also syntax. This is also syntax. Okay. This is also syntax. Same. So this is stars. This is sibling of tags. Now in our we missed right tags. We need to parallel to your module name. So parallel to your module name. Parallel to your module name. So not here. This is a sibling of module name. Okay. So if you have any doubt, just to go to it. So adding how to individual task and all, how to run it. Here also they added multiple tags. Just whatever you want, so we can use it. Whatever you want, we can use it. Now, if you want to run, if you want to run only specific tag name, so runtime we need to give hyphen tags. Your tag name we need to pass it. That's it. So already we here also we added. See here. So I have playbook, Ansible hyphen playbook, and your playbook name hyphen tags. If you want to run a specific tag, so that case we can use your tag name. Now here we have two tasks. If you go to here, so this is the one task. Install is the one task, and uninstall is the another task. Now for this I given one name install, and for this I given another name tags uninstall. Okay, runtime. So now if you run this playbook, so I we don't want to run, we don't want to install, and we don't want to uninstall. Some case I want to install, and some case I want to uninstall. So that case simply we can use. So this is the syntax. Now clear guys. Now we have two tasks. One task is install, and other task is uninstall. Sir. Now, so Ansible hyphen playbook, and your playbook name. Okay. Now we have two tags, right? So I don't every time I don't want to run two tags, two tasks. So this time I want to only uninstall the Git package. So this is hyphen tags. What is your tag name? Uninstall. Now got it, guys? Suppose this time I don't want to uninstall. I want to only execute only one task. What is the task name? So that is M and I want to install. So that case we can use install. Now clear? This is very simple only. So now see here. Now it won't trigger. Now it won't so run two tasks. Now in this case it will run only one task. What is the tag name? Install. Now see here only one. Earlier we can see two. First it is install the package, and second time automatically it is uninstall the package. So this is the tag. No, sir, I want to run only this one uninstall. See here with the tag you want to execute uninstall, uninstall. Now see here tags hyphen uninstall. Now this case it is executing only uninstall task. See here. Now clear guys. So that case mostly, so we should go for tag concept. So we should. What is tags? Why you go for tags means now you got it right. So suppose if your playbook have large, if your playbook large playbook, and you don't want to execute every time all task and all. I want to run only specific task. So that case mostly we go for tag concept. Mostly we should go for tag concept. For every task we are going to add some tag name and runtime. If you want to, we can run that particular tag, or if you don't want, we can skip also that particular tag. How to skip it? So how to skip it? There is a this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Hyphen tags your tag name. Hyphen tag your tag name. Suppose if you want to skip hyphen tag, that is exclude. There is a syntax. This is the if you don't want hyphen skip tags. Hyphen skip tags your tag name. Now see here, here also somewhere we can find it. See here, specific special tags always and never run, and so Ansible. See here, hyphen skip hyphen tags. This is your tag name. So this is your tag name. We can skip the particular tag. If you want to skip the particular tag, so that case we should go for so hyphen tag. Now see here, so hyphen tags all means it will display all tag names. These all are the basic commands only. Now hyphen all tags. Hyphen all. Now in this case we can use. See here. So hyphen tags all. Now if you give like this, now see here. Now what is it is executing? All means is executing both. It is executing both. So this is the install package as well as uninstall package. Both. This is one task and this is also one task. Suppose if you want to skip, skip means a particular tag. We can give tag. So that these are the these are the this is depends on your requirement. We can pass anything. No. Suppose we have 10 tags. I don't want to execute 10 tags. I want to execute only two tags. This is tag one and tag two. So that case run only task with either the tag name this one or this one. So whether this one or this one and skip tag run. Run all tasks except these tags. So except either this tag or this tag. So if you want to run a specific tag, run only task with at least one argument, tags hyphen tag name, tags hyphen untagged. If we don't want, we can. So these are the example guys. We can check it. Okay. Now see here. Now I given all right. All means first this is the which one? This is the install and this is the second one uninstall. Two task it is executed. So this is most in the interview also many people asked. So what is the tag concept in Ansible and what is the main purpose? Suppose your playbook has very large and we added many tasks under your playbook. So every time if you run your playbook, every time all tasks will be executed. Correct? You don't want to execute all tasks every time. So runtime, I want to specific task I want to execute or specific task I want to exclude. I don't want. So that case mostly we go for that case we should go for tag concept. So that case we should go for tag. Okay. Now how to see skip also? Now hyphen Ansible hyphen playbook playbook Ansible playbook escape skip hyphen same syntax. Now you know right tags. So what is the tag name? Skip. Skip means if you don't want exclude. So that case hyphen skip hyphen tags your tag name. Which tag you want to skip? I don't want uninstall. Uninstall. Now I have. So now see here.
So we,
Now it is skipping only this particular tag name. Now it is executing only this one. What which tag? Install tag only it will execute. Clear? Anyone any doubt here?
so we can
Okay.
skip all tags also.
Hello.
We can
Yes.
skip all tags also, sir.
Yes, that is the this is right syntax. Hyphen skip hyphen tags. Hyphen skip hyphen tags. So this particular tags and all skip. It won't execute. It won't execute like exclude. So there
Yes.
is a multiple ways we can follow also here. So here we see, right? So where is that? Now see here. Where is that syntax? Now see here. This is the hyphen list hyphen tags. It will list the all tags. So if you want to see, so these are the commands. These are the we can check it. Now see here. Hyphen list tags. Now how many tags we have? So how many tags we have? See here. Two tags. One is install tag and second one is uninstall tag. Now clear. For example, I am going to add one more tag also. First, let me edit VI. I am going to add one more task also. Uh, hyphen. Okay, create file. Okay. Now, just I am using file model. And so what is this file? Where you want to create file? BST. Okay. Yes, I want to create a temp slash and so file2 dot txt and state equal to state colon touch touch. Now I'm giving tag name tags tags colon. So what is the tag name we want to give? So that tag name we want to give here. So directly single line also we can pass it tag name. I am giving also uh, create file create file. Now I have two tags, right? Colon x. Now, if you want to see those tags and all, hyphen list hyphen tags. Now, see here, create file and so install alphabetic order. It is displaying the tags names list and all. It is displaying alphabetic order. See first letter, right? Create file, install, uninstall. Now, so you want to execute only this task, guys. Now, what is the syntax? Anyone? I want to execute only this tag. I don't want the remaining two tags. Now, what is the command? Ansible hyphen playbook. Tell me. Wait. Next here.
Hyphen tag
Hyphen
tag
tags. What is your tag name you want to execute?
create
Create file. That's it.
create file.
Now very clear, right? Now in this case, this time it won't run this task. It won't run this task. That's it. Now see here. Now see here. Only it is running installed. It is not displaying. It is running only gathering facts and already that file is available. Change equal 0. It is coming, right? Hyphen create git package that is not running anything. See here, it is not running anything and gathering facts and this one. Now, if you go and check, so if you want to check it, connect that mission whether that file is available or not. If already available, it won't create. If it is not available, it will create. Now these are the commands we can use. If you want to, we can exclude, we can skip the tag, or if you want to install execute only specific tag. So these are the commands, basic commands and all. We can interview also many people asked. So interview also many people asked. So what is tag and so why you go for tags? Now you know, right? Suppose your playbook is very large. So and we added many tasks. If you run your playbook every time it is executing, it is running all tasks. So my requirement is I don't want to run every time all tasks. Now I'm going to add some name. I am going to add for every task. I am giving some tag name. Runtime. So now specifically, if you want to, we can give that tag name. We can give that tag name. Okay. We can see these are the see here Ansible playbook 5 tag related to commands. So we can use all. It will trigger and hyphen tags. Now only run task either this task or this task. If you want to skip this task, this stop and only specific tag. If you want to untag also, we can give untag also. So hyphen tags and so only no arguments. Don't give anything. That case so no arguments. So now that case we can add this tag concept. So anyone any doubt guys? Concept is very simple only. Just remember it. So why you go for tag concept? Why you go for tag concept? See here, if we have a large playbook and it may be useful to run only specific part of our instead of running entire playbook. You don't want to run entire playbook every time. I want to run only specific task. So that case we should go for a tag concept. Okay. And so now we can these are the syntax. So these are the syntax already we seen right. Hyphen tag name and tags all means it will it will run all tags. If you don't so I want to run only either this one or this one, that case we can use hyphen tags. This is the right square bracket tag name comma we can add multiple tags also. Clear guys? So anyone any doubt here? So this is very important. Interview also many people asked what is tag concept and how to add tags. We need to remember only one. So under the task, just tags colon give your tag name. Any name. That is up to you. We can give any name. So we can give any name. We can give any name. Now see here tags colon. We can give any name. We can give any name. We can give any name. See here and runtime we can pass this particular tag name only whether that you want to execute that particular task or you want to skip that particular task. Clear? So anyone any doubt guys here? If it is clear, so let's move on to another concept. Clear? What
Yes.
Shivaji?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Now that is very important topic. One more topic, Ansible Vault. Ansible Vault. So what is Ansible Vault and why you go for means now we'll see. Now Vault somewhere we can see hyphen F VAULT. What is Ansible? Ansible Vault. VAULT. Ansible Vault. So now Ansible Vault. So this is very important. In interview also many people ask this question. Okay. So as what is Ansible Vault and how to provide security and how to encrypt your so sensitive data and all. Now see here. Now this is the Ansible Vault concept. And so if we come to here, Ansible Vault is feature of Ansible that allow to keep sensitive data such as passwords, any keys, configuration files. I want to encrypt rather than plain text in our playbook and roles. Now this is my playbook, right? So this is my playbook. Now everyone can see my playbook, right? Is there any security there for this playbook as of now? You can see, anyone can modify and all. So do we have any security as of now? Did I provide any security for this file?
No, sir.
No, right? But if you come to real time, I have some configuration files or I have some, right, properties files. So properties means, so generally in real time, we are maintaining some properties files. And so see here, like connection related files or username password files. So those are the some sensitive data. In real time, we are also maintaining some of files. So we are maintaining some files. For example, just assume in real time, if we come to here, we are maintaining a different environments, right? So that is related to dev environment. So development environment and test environment and stage environment and pre-prod environment, pre-production production environment. For each every environment, we have some configuration files, data connections, and username, passwords. Just assume for development. For development and all, we have so dev underscore db underscore dot properties file. Properties file. This is the extension should be properties. So in this file, so obviously mostly we are maintaining my database that dev environment credentials and all we are maintaining here. So db underscore user name. So we are passing some username. Or just I'm giving so dev user and so db underscore. Okay. So db underscore dev underscore db. This is the dev credential, right? Dev underscore db underscore username. So we are following like this: dev underscore user underscore db d underscore db. That is the which is the dev db username, dev db password, db underscore password. Okay, password. Just I given some password. Okay, username. So dev user and dev underscore db underscore password. Just I given something dev db 123 just for your understanding purpose. So these are the configuration. These are the my username password, right? Sensitive data. Suppose if I created one file dev underscore db dot properties file. In this file, I added my data related username, passwords, and all. Now everyone can see my file, right? As of now, there is no security. As of now, I didn't provide any security. So now everyone can see. Now I don't want like this. I want to see here keep sensitive data such as username, password, keys, and I want to encrypt these files. So how to encrypt? So for this here, so there is one concept is there, Ansible vault concept. Okay. So Ansible vault vault. Okay. Okay. So this is the Ansible vault. See here, Ansible vault is feature that allow to keep your secret safe and you can encrypt the secret files. I want to provide some security. I want to provide some security. So how to provide? Now this file can see, anyone can see. For example, here I created one file, just assume. So here I created sudo vi, so dev underscore db dot properties file. Properties. Actually, real time properties. This is your configuration files and insert. Okay. So dev underscore db underscore username. Okay, so dev db user one. Okay, so dev we are following like this in real time pattern and all, and password. Okay, password. So this is my password. I am using 3 at the rate. Now see here, this is my username and this is my password. And same way for every environment we are maintaining one properties file. Escape colon x. Now, everyone, so here there is no security. Now see here, dev underscore db. Do we have any security here? Everyone can see my file. So they can find my username, password, and they can connect to my db also. Now this is my sensitive data, right? This is my sensitive data. I don't want to conceal this data to everyone. I want to hide. I don't want to show everyone. I want to give some security. I want to encrypt my data. So how to encrypt? How to encrypt your data in our Ansible? So in Ansible, it is providing what is the concept? Vault concept. Now see here, this is the Ansible vault is the feature Ansible that allow to keep sensitive data such as username, passwords, keys, and all. and so encrypted files rather than as plain text in our playbook and roles. Now, so these are the syntax. We need to follow some syntax and all. So now see here, Ansible hyphen vault hyphen ID and label we can give. So if you have any IDs and all, we can check it. Creating encrypted file. See here, Ansible hyphen vault and create. So I given one file name. I given one file name. So now see here, this is the normal file. Everyone can see. Now I'm giving one file. I want to encrypt my data. This is a command. So Ansible hyphen. So what is the syntax? Now observe here. What is the syntax? Ansible hyphen vault create a file name. Now I'm going to create one file name. Ansible hyphen vault create. Now same I'm giving a test underscore db dot properties file. Okay. So now it is asking password. Now see here, new vault password. Now set the password for this file. So now I am giving so db. Okay. Now second time db. Now see here. Now it is open the file insert. Now see here test underscore db underscore username. Now I given equal to this is the key and this is the value. Test db username. Okay. Now test underscore db underscore password. Now see here, I am giving so test db123 the just for your understanding. Okay. Now these are my test related configuration files. Test environment, my configuration file, my username, password we maintain here. Now escape colon x. So now try to now see here I encrypted, right? I given Ansible vault concept. So how to create that file? Ansible hyphen vault create file name. Now I'm trying to cat space test underscore db underscore properties file. Now see here. Can you see actual data? Now clear guys. Now I encrypted my file. So we can't see actual data, original data. This is encrypted. We cannot understand. Now if you see observe here cat space dev I given right. So now we can see. So do we have any vault? Did I apply any vault here? No, right? I didn't encrypted any data. So directly anyone can see my file. They can easily know, right? Username, my password and all. Do we have any security here? No. But if you come to test underscore db dot properties file. So my username password already added here. I updated here. But so now I give for this file I given Ansible. I applied Ansible Vault. Now this entire data it is encrypted. It cannot display actual data. It is encrypted data. We cannot understand. Now clear guys? What Ramesh? Taran,
Yes, sir.
got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now suppose if you want to see. So suppose if you want to sir actually now I this is encrypted right? So I want to see my actual data. So if you want to see that actual data, so now created and all this is a concept guide. Ansible vault hyphen create. Now there is a now see here test and all. And if you want to, there is one more command. Ansible vault view your file name. Your file name. Now see here. Now see here. Ansible hyphen vault view. And what is the file name? Test underscore db dot properties. What is this? Command not found.
Ansible spellings.
Ansible Ansible hyphen vault view and your file name. Okay. Test underscore db. That's it. Now see here. Now so directly it won't see your data. Now it is asking your password. So what is your password? Even suppose if you forget this password, we can't do anything, guys. That is one more drawback here. So we need to remember your password. Now test db. Now see here. Now I can able to see my file. Now I can see my actual data, the original data. Now clear? Anyone any doubt here? So if you want to encrypt your data, this is the command Ansible-vault create your file name. And if you want to see the data, Ansible-vault view your file name. Now it is asking your password. Suppose if you forget password, we can't do anything. Just make sure that. So we need to remember your password. Otherwise, so we cannot recover again. Okay. So this is one more thing. Now same thing. Now we know, right? View we know how to create and all, you know. Now see here, edit the data. Suppose if you want to edit the file. So see here, Ansible-vault edit your file name. Now this is my file, right? I want to update. Now you know, right, how to see, how to create and all. Now Ansible vault. So instead edit view means it will display the your actual data. Now edit. If we give edit, now see here, it is asking password. Now see here, db password. Now whatever you want, we can edit it. So whatever you want, we can edit it. Insert. Just added. So escape colon x. Save and exit. So now try to so now I don't want edit. I want to view my data. Now if you want to view your data, so Ansible-vault view, and now it is asking your password. Just enter your password. Now see here. Now we can see your data. If you want to edit and all, we can edit view. Now one more command. These are only same for 5 commands. And so rekey. I want to. So now encrypt already. Suppose any. So now edit. View. Create. Now. So there is one more command. Encrypt your file name. Now db underscore. So this is my file, right? So this is my existing file. Now cat space db underscore. So this is my file. So cat space db, not db, right? Dev underscore db. This is my file. Now for this file, do we have any encrypted? Did I set any vault? No, right? Now I want to encrypt this file. So how to encrypt? This is the command, guys. Ansible. Now this file, I don't have any password and all. I didn't encrypt the data and all. Everyone can see this file. Now Ansible hyphen vault. Now encrypt pt, right? Encrypt and file name. What is the file name? Dev underscore db underscore data. Now see here, this is the syntax. So Ansible hyphen vault encrypt and your file name. So for this file, so I don't have so any password and all. Now see here, now it is asking password. What is this? Permission. So we don't have any permission and all. Just give sudo. I have already existing file, right? Sudo encrypt, and it is asking. Now see here, encryption successful. Now for this file, earlier for this file, I don't have any secret. I didn't have any password and all. I didn't encrypt it. Now try to try to open this file cat space dev underscore db underscore properties. Now see here. So now anyway, I am giving sudo. Now see here. Now data is encrypted or not? So which case we go for encrypt? If already I have file, suppose if you want to encrypt that file, So that case we should go for so Ansible hyphen vault encrypt your existing file. But this file I don't have any password and all. Now we can set the password and all. Now we can encrypt your data. Clear, guys? So anyone any doubt here? This is very simple only. So create, view, edit, encrypt, next decrypt. Now see here, I want to decrypt also. Decrypt. Decrypt means I want to remove the, how to remove that decrypt, right? Now see here same. Right now I have password for this file. Now if you want to see this, we cannot see your actual data and all. Now I want to decrypt. See here, Ansible, Ansible hyphen vault decrypt. Decrypt, same syntax. See here, and file name. Which file? For example, test underscore db for this file. So for this file, already I have password. Already I encrypted data. Test underscore db. Whatever that is your wish. Or dev underscore db also we can use it. So dev underscore db also we can use it. db. Okay. Now see here. Now it is asking a first time password. DB. Permission, right? We need to use sudo dev db. So now see here decryption successful. Now cat space sudo cat space dev underscore db file name. Now see here I remove the password. I remove the password. If you want to remove the password and all, if you want to decrypt your data, so that case we go for Ansible hyphen vault decrypt. Ansible hyphen vault decrypt. Now clear, guys? So that case we can go for decrypt. Now what are those commands? So these are the only 5 commands. One is Ansible hyphen vault create. Okay, file name. Okay. Now if you want to see Ansible hyphen vault, okay, view and file name. Now if you want to edit Ansible hyphen edit. Now if you want to decrypt encrypt, right? So Ansible encrypt encrypt and file name. But make sure that the file name have any password and all. Now if you want to Ansible vault decrypt file decrypt file name. Okay. So now recreate, reset the key. So now for this file I have a password. Now if you see here, now if you see here and cat space test underscore db, right? So for this, this is encrypted. This is the encrypted data. So now if you want to, already I have password. Already I have password. For example, I am trying to edit. So see here, sudo vi test underscore db. Now see here. Now we can. So this is the actual encrypted data. Now I want to change my password. I want to change my password. Suppose if you want to change my password and all. So this is the command. What is this? This is the command rekey. So now this is the password. This is if you want to update your password. If you want to update your password, and that case we can go for rekey. Now this is my file. For this file already I have password. So how to update my key? This is Ansible hyphen vault hyphen rekey space test underscore db and file name. Test underscore db underscore file name. Now it is asking vault password. Okay. Now it is asking new password. confirm new password. First one is old password. Second one is new password. Now it is asking new password, latest password. Clear, guys? So vault password means this is the old, already existing password, and a new vault password. Which password you want to set and give that one. That's it. Now see here, rekey successful. So rekey successful. So that case, so we should go for. So this is the command Ansible -vault rekey. So these are the. So these are total. How many? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the last 6. Ansible. In interview also many people asked. So how to give security for your so playbooks and all. Okay. Now clear, guys. So anyone any doubt here? So these are the commands. So these are the commands. Create. If you want to create, create. If you want to see, view. If you update, edit. If you want to edit, edit and encrypt or decrypt. And if you want to update your password and all, so that is the rekey. That is the rekey. So this is the rekey. So here anyone any doubt, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in interview also many people asked, so what is how to encrypt files? How to encrypt files in your Ansible? If you want to encrypt files in Ansible, so these are the commands. Only 6 commands. So these are very simple only. Create, view, edit, encrypt, decrypt, rekey. So remaining same syntax only, right? So remaining same syntax only. Create, view, edit, encrypt, decrypt, rekey. I hope now got it right. We got some idea what is why you go for encrypt. Okay, what is Ansible Vault and what is the advantages? Why you go for? Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. So this is so interview also many people asked. Just try to remember only these 6 commands. So create, view, edit, encrypt, decrypt, and rekey. So create means, so while creating the file, we can set the password. View means we can so view that file and all. If you want to edit content and all, we go for that encrypted file edit. And if you want to encrypt, this is the old file. Old file means which file doesn't have already encrypt. Already that that file is not encrypted. So that file only we need to give here. And if you want to decrypt, already my file was encrypted. If you want to decrypt, this is the decrypt. So if you want to update your password and all, this is the rekey. If you want to update your password and all, so this is the rekey. You can update. Now but make sure that so we need to know old password. If you don't know old password, we can't do anything. That is the main thing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So